Hey everyone, today's room tour is about the Element Anaheim Resort Convention Center. It's at 1600 South Clementine Street, just under a mile away from Disneyland. The walk took us about 12 to 15 minutes with a stroller and a young walker. As you can see, the Element is right next door to the Suncoast Hotel. We have a review on that hotel also, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can check that video out when it comes out. This was our first time staying at Element, so it was very clean, very new, and I hear it is an all-suite hotel. We decided to stay in a one-bedroom suite, which came with 2 queens and then a pull-out sofa in the living room. We arrived in the middle of the afternoon. As you can see, there's a lot of cars. We never had any trouble finding a parking spot, but it definitely got crowded as it got later in the evening. Next to the check-in desk, there was a little market where you can make small purchases. The hotel also had a 24-hour fitness center, barbecue areas, and it did come with a free breakfast. Also, parking was available above ground, and then they had parking underground also. Breakfast is always a bit of a rush for us, so we didn't get any footage of it, but they had all types of food, hot food, eggs, sausage, bacon, also cereals. They had croissants and other danishes, and a lot of different options of juices. I'll put a few of the items here. We like to eat quick. We like to have our stroller prepared in the morning so that we can just take off and go to the park. And of course, we just stay parked at the hotel and walk back when we're done at the end of the day. We were in room 240, which is a 1-bedroom suite. So as soon as you walk in, there is a full kitchen there. You have a full-size fridge with freezer and refrigerator at the bottom, dishwasher, a stovetop, microwave, and then of course an eating area with 4 chairs. It's all open to a living room, and so it's a great space for if you have a lot of people. Plenty of dishes, plenty of cookware, all available for you as a full suite. The living room area comes with a couch, a pull-out sofa, TV of course, a chair and table, and we had a view of the freeway, which was fine for us. We were only there one night, but of course you could probably request a view of the parks and to see the fireworks. What happened? What did you hit?
The corner of the bed.
On your what?
My shed.
Oh. You want me to look at it? So yeah, if you guys stay here, make sure to watch the bed frame when you're walking by. We don't need any more injuries. So back to the tour, you saw there was 2 queens in the bedroom. Then off of there, we have our standard bathroom, toilet, sink, and there is a standing shower. It does have plenty of towels for the 4 of us, so that worked out well. The shower was decent, nothing super special, but it was very clean and we were happy with the room. One thing I forgot to mention, behind the front door, there is additional closet space. So you can hang clothes here. There's additional bedding. Here's where you're gonna find your safe, and then of course your ironing board and your iron. And that's gonna do it for us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching for more reviews and room tours.
Hey you, like, comment,